You spend $1,000 on a device just to cover it up. Yes, all the engineers at Apple, Samsung, and other big manufacturers of phones are cringing because their great creations are being put behind a $20 case. And if that is something that you don't want to be the case for you, then we at 3411 Heaven have a clear case that will help you show off your phone. Let us make a case for you to buy this case. And now, Jack, you can fire me. All those terrible dad jokes aside, I am the proud owner of an iPhone 11, and you most recently saw this device featured in our unboxing and review of Evutec Sport series, which is compatible with a magnetic car mount, as well as still being compatible with wireless charging. That's a big ask. Evutec has agreed to send us over another case that I will be showing off once I get this thing off. This case is very protective and thus very hard to get off. Or maybe I'm just, bad at it. Wow, that is kind of gross. Not broken though. Case worked. Anyways, since I want something a little more lightweight to show off this pretty device, we are going to be taking a look at the Karbon case, which is clear and lightweight and will show off your device at $14.99, link in the description. You too can own one. But don't forget, we at 3411 Heaven have a special discount code just for you in the description below. Evutec 3411. Those logistics aside, let's actually unbox this case. We grab a knife because there is tape on the bottom, which I really appreciate. This case is for the iPhone 11, since that's the device I own, but they have a plethora of other offerings and styles on their website, which you can go and check out. Anywhere from iPhones to the latest and greatest Samsung devices, as well as even the new Motorola Razr Reboot, which from what I've been hearing is actually pretty trash. If you own one, let us know what you think in the comment section below. Opening up the box. Touchdown! You see the case. And yes, it is clear. Right away, I see that there are bumpers on the edge to help with drop protection, but well, I do know that there is some drop protection with this case. Don't be dependent on this to protect your device as much as something like their Sports series would. This is only rated for a 2-foot drop, which most times you're dropping it higher than 2 feet. So long story short, don't drop your device with this on there. It is extremely lightweight and only 1.5 millimeters thick. Let's actually slide it in. That's still dirty. Anyways, putting it in slips on nice and easy. Fingerprints are fading away, mostly because I just had sweaty hands because you guys make me nervous. On the back there is a small logo, which I can appreciate because it's not very big and in your face and is very discreet and low profile like this case should be. One thing to note is there is at least a lip that comes up above the screen to prevent you from dropping your phone like this and automatically cracking the screen. They do recommend that you pair this with a tempered glass screen protector, which I think they do have on their websites, but if you don't have one on your phone already, go get one because, man, they are lifesavers. The case itself isn't very slippery at all. It's actually quite grippy. Like I said, it's not leaving really any fingerprints, which is kind of interesting. The lip that is featured on the front to protect your screen is also on the back, so the back plate and the edges aren't flush. There is a small gap, so it doesn't actually sit on the back plate. Since this is such a thin case, there's going to be no interference with wireless charging, as well as any Wi-Fi or cellular signals, but really, if you have a case that interferes with your Wi-Fi and cellular signals for your cellular device, I don't know why you would buy it, so don't. If you want to go and check out this product or anything else that Evutec offers, by the way, there's big cutouts for the speakers as well as the charging port, and the buttons feel good. Ooh, yeah, everything works as it should. Pretty straightforward. $14.99, link in the description. If you like it, go buy one. If you don't like it, tell us why in the comment section below. That's all I have for today, folks. As always, don't forget to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you think we should review in the future, and we will catch you in the next one. As always, bird up.